Hey, I get so many questions about that 40 kilometers per hour speed with my Fiido bike in other videos. So today I have a brand new Fiido D2 bike and let's see how fast does it go right out of the box. And even more importantly, how can we increase the maximum speed? But first let's double check all bolts and bits. And yep, it's a standard factory 30 kilometers per hour top speed. By the way, I weigh 100 kilos, so if you weigh the same or less and still can't reach 30 kilometers per hour, first check the tire pressure. You should have at least 2 bars for speed and efficiency. Then check if your wheels are spinning freely. If not, you have to adjust your brakes. If brake pads are touching disc, of course you should have a full battery before testing maximum speed. And after checking all these things, you should be able to reach 30 km per hour with both Fiido D1 and D2 models easily. But what about those 40 km per hour? Well, here's my little secret. I just hold the throttle to the max and pedal. As long as you keep pedaling, the bike will go over 30 km per hour limit. And finally, if you have tried all my tips and yet still stuck at that 25 km per hour limit, well, maybe you have a Fiido D2s model, which is different and it is slower. Or your bike simply might have a legal 25 km per hour speed limit, which can be removed very easily. Just turn the bike off, hold your brakes and turn the throttle to the maximum. Now turn the key on and wait for 10 seconds. Release, turn your key off. This should remove any limits and restore your bike to factory settings and a default 30 km per hour maximum speed. And at this part of the video, I usually say check the product links in the video description below. But all Fiido D1 and D2 models are sold out like everywhere. Luckily there is a new one, Fiido D4s model. And that is even faster and it is available right now. I have put a link in the video description below, so you can check it out. And hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment below if you want to see me testing maximum speed of the new Fiido D4s model. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.